Hello, Simon here with the Milk Run, and we're back again with another gear review. Today we're here looking at the Smith IO Mag, which is the replacement for the IO7 in the Smith goggle lineup. It's a mid-size frame, which means it should fit a range of face types. Really excited, I've just managed to get my hands on them, and they are the collaboration between Smith and the North Face, thanks to the athlete Austin Smith. Now, for those of you who know about the North Face and maybe use their luggage to get around, they've actually mugged off the North Face duffel to turn it into a container for your goggles. Really, really nice little touch. Love that. The Smith IO Mag though, the main point and the main difference between this and the other goggles in the Smith range is that it comes with a magnetic lens change. Now, similar to another goggle that I reviewed, the Anon M4, I'll put that somewhere on the screen, you can change it and reattach using magnets, which means it's pretty fast to change. However, unlike the Anon M4, it's not just the magnets that hold it in place. On the IO Mag, you also have two latches. One here behind the right hand of the goggle strap and one here on the left hand of the goggle strap. I actually think it overcomplicates the issue. Once you've got your hands on a pair of Anon M4s, you kind of realise you don't actually need that lock to put it in place. What it does mean though, if you do take a massive crash, that lens isn't going to go anywhere. The compromise for that is I haven't been able to change them while wearing them, and that's something that's super easy on the Anon goggles. I actually need to take off the goggle, to pull the lever back, to remove the lens. Other people, if you can do it with the goggle on, kudos to you. I find it quite tricky. If you can and there's a trick to it, just leave it in the comments below. Now, like most top-end goggles nowadays, the IO Mag comes with two lenses, and they're both Chromapop lenses. So the Austin Smith model comes with a dark lens for those bright sunny days and a storm lens for when it's overcast and still snowing. Both lenses are Chromapop lenses, and what that means is that they are a high contrast lens, similar to what Oakley do with Prism and what Anon do with Sonar. In the coming weeks, I'm actually going to be on snow testing the differences between Sonar, Chromapop and Prism. So as soon as I've figured it out, hopefully I'll be able to feed that back to you as well. They're a really comfortable goggle. You've got your triple layer face foam, your anti-fog, just like most top-end goggles would. You also have the strap which comes apart. Smith are the only brand that does that. It makes it super easy to put on, whether under or over a helmet. I was actually slightly worried because I like to wear my goggles underneath my helmet, and I thought that the clips would hurt and cause a pressure point. They don't. It's mellow enough to actually not really feel it. The final thing I want to talk to you about is the Porex filter. Now, Smith put a Porex filter onto all of their lenses. They're the only brand to do so. It's patented and it prevents fogging when changing elevation. So as you're riding up the chairlift, this helps prevent your goggles from misting up. Now, everybody that I've known or spoken to that actually uses Smith goggles swears by them, says they're absolutely brilliant. So I'm excited. This is my first pair of Smith goggles. I'm going to get them on the snow in Japan in just a couple of weeks' time. So as soon as I've tried them out on the snow, I'll give you an on-snow review and let you know my thoughts. If you've got any questions about the Smith IO Mag, please put them in the comments down below. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, give us a subscribe, and stay tuned for more snow sports content.